Hey YouTube, Little Weird Guy here for another horror block unboxing. The knife, and let's see what we got for today, this month. Ooh, pop vinyl. We got The Mummy, Boris Karloff. Ooh, sweet. And we have Zombie Ease, antiseptic hand cleaner. Cool. Kills 99% of all infections. Antivirus protection, lethal disinfectant, undead sanitizer. Pretty cool. We got a t-shirt. We got the Overlook Hotel. Okay, I'm not familiar with this pop culture reference. Overlook Hotel. You've always been here. Oh, actually, no. Now I know. Okay, yep. The Shining. How can I not know that? I should know that. Ooh, cool. Little maggot eye skeleton. Let's open him up. Little stress ball thing. Get out. It's all. Thing's been in the heat, this heat too long and outside because came home just now and it's been pretty much all day in the sun. It's a bit sticky, but yeah, so let's squeeze his eyes. Whoosh. Cool. And it's got maggots inside. Alright, we've got, we can see Poltergeist. Little mini mouse pad. Tiny. I don't know. Who would use this as a mouse pad? It's so tiny, but still, it's pretty cool. And we got a magazine. We got there Rue Morgue. Pretty Ghostbusters. Nice. Yes, yep. Pretty much a standard horror magazine. And it's got a feature on Ghostbusters. Ooh. And what's there? Oh, Afterlife of Archie. Yeah, that's cool. About Archie's. There you go. Jughead becoming a zombie. That's pretty cool. And that's it. So, as always, I'll catch you next time.